Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to assign tasks based on expertise in ClickUp, the complete 2025 guide. Step 1 is to create your tasks. Inside your workspace, simply click the plus sign in the lower right corner and then select Task. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a clear list of what needs to be done. Next up, you need to add the details for each task. This includes a title, description, and any necessary attachments. This helps us because it provides a clear understanding of what the task involves. Now that we've done that, you'll want to categorize your tasks by expertise. Click on the Custom Fields button and create a new field called Expertise. This allows you to sort your tasks based on the specific skills needed to complete them. Having categorized your tasks, it's time to assign them to your team members. Click on the Assignee field and select the person with the right expertise for each task. The reason we do this is to ensure that each task is assigned to the person most capable of completing it, which increases efficiency and productivity. Finally, don't forget to set due dates. Click on the Due Date field and select a date for each task. This is crucial because it helps keep everyone on track and ensures tasks are completed on time. Let me explain why this matters. Assigning tasks based on expertise in ClickUp not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures the right people are working on the right tasks. It's all about maximizing your team's skills and abilities to increase productivity. And that's it. A simple, effective way to assign tasks based on expertise in ClickUp. Remember, the key is in the details. The more information you provide for each task, the easier it will be to assign them based on expertise. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.